Hello my lovelies! Today's graze for your soul is this banana crunch roll. So you're going to need a tortilla, some peanut butter. This is my favorite type of peanut butter, the Skippy Natural Creamy Peanut Butter. So you're going to want to spread the peanut butter on the tortilla. Next, you want to unpeel your banana. And then you're going to place it on top of the peanut butter and you're going to straighten the banana out a little bit. And it's okay if it cracks a little bit, that's fine. And then you're going to drizzle some honey over that banana. And the next thing is an option. I call this banana crunch roll because I added some granola on it. So I sprinkled some granola over the banana. You don't have to put the granola in there though. And you're going to roll up the tortilla as tightly as possible. And now we are going to make sure that our wrap stays together by inserting these toothpicks an inch apart along the tortilla edge. Now if you check in my description box below, there is a printable blog and some links so you can see where I got these tortilla picks. And then you're going to take a knife and you're going to slice in between those toothpicks. And you might find that you need to kind of readjust your toothpick there so that the roll stays together. There we go. We have our healthy banana crunch roll-ups. These are really tasty snack. My kids love them. And then just to add a little decoration, be a little fancy, I'm going to sprinkle the granola over the sliced roll just to make it kind of look like a fun little banana crunch sushi roll. And there we have it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that little bell right next to it so you never miss a video. And I'll see you next time for more graze for your soul.